Hi guys, sorry for the late video, but as I promised to reach from true budget to the scene prepping, I've managed to get a hold of my wife's grandfather tool roll. I guess this one dates back, I guess, to the 70s. Let's open it. Yeah, sorry, but it doesn't fit. Let me just move a few things. It's actually quite large. Actually, I'm planning on doing an old tool video. Let's see what we got here. It's 8mm wrench. We've got a bunch of old wrenches, 16, 17mm, 14, 15 one. This one is angled at 10mm. Yeah, so rusty these ones. Also 10mm. Yeah, I've got more old tools. The coating is coming off of this one. 20, 22mm. 18, 19, yeah, pretty much the essentials for a truck driver in the old days. Like so. And you throw it in your toolbox and you are good to go. Yeah, I'll make a better video hopefully with more old tools. But that's it for now. It's winter and I haven't got a heated tool shop and it's pretty bad these days. Yeah, in my next video I'm gonna talk about flashlights, new ones, old ones. Yeah, see you next time.